Welcome to CallJuggler video 2, which covers the core features of CallJuggler. This will cover opening and activating the application, tagging contacts and tagging media. CallJuggler is a background application, which means it's running on your phone at all times. But to change the settings and to enter CallJuggler, you need to type in your passcode. You can see here I've used the code 3333, but we strongly suggest you use something a lot more complex than that. This phone enters CallJuggler as soon as you type in the number, though some phones you might need to press the call button after you've entered it. Now at present, CallJuggler is not activated, as you can see. Just select that option and CallJuggler is now on. As I've not yet tagged any contacts, you'll see that there's no data in the call logs there. No dialed, received or missed calls. Tagging contacts to block their calls and messages and remove all their data from your phone is the core feature of CallJuggler. On this phone, we can clearly see in the contacts file that Abigail Brooks is there. Now Abigail wants to go out this evening, but I don't want her disturbing me at work, so we're going to see how to block her. We enter CallJuggler in the normal way and press Options and Tag and Untag Contacts. We press Select again and Add a contact. Now all the contacts on the phone are shown in this list, and a quick search reveals Abigail Brooks. We press OK to select her, and she is added to the list of tagged contacts. Now remember, you can tag as many contacts as you want, but for now we're just going to show how to do it with one. When we press Exit and go back to the CallJuggler settings screen, it scans the inbox, the sent messages, the call logs and the contacts list, and removes all that data from the phone and stores it within CallJuggler. Now if Abigail does call me, how will I see if she's called me or left a message? Well, we can go down to Messages and View Text Messages, and here we can see the messages that she sent over the past few days, and we can read them within CallJuggler. Now that second message, I don't want anybody to read that, so we can go to Options and delete it from the phone there and then. Now even if CallJuggler is deactivated or Abigail is untagged, that message will not go back to the phone as it's completely deleted. You can also see the dialed, received and missed calls from Abigail there. Now when we exit CallJuggler and go to the contacts list again, Abigail Brooks is nowhere to be seen. If we had used CallJuggler to tag all the contacts on the phone, this folder would appear completely empty. With CallJuggler, you can tag and remove media files from your phone in much the same way as you do with contacts. Here we're going to go down to Media, select, you can see there's no data presently stored there. I'm going to add a media file. This is a photo that I took of me and Abigail a few nights ago. Now I don't want anyone to see this, so I'm going to tag it, but I do want to keep it for sentimental reasons. So once it's been tagged, it is now saved within CallJuggler and cannot be accessed on the phone in any other way. You can't view media files within CallJuggler, but they are safe there. In the last video, we're going to learn how to swap tagged contacts, voicemail options and all the other settings. To watch the video and for more information, go to calljuggler.com and keep your private life private.